guys, it's me, Karen from Barn Drinking. Guess what? I'm going to do a little food review, and then we're going to do a vlog. Yay! So, I don't know, what time is it? Like 4 o'clock, I don't know. I didn't eat much this morning because we did a review yesterday, me and Kristen. It was we finally had some nice weather here in Ohio. We were out in the barn last night. We did a review. I had like half of what I couldn't eat last night. So I finished that and had a cup of coffee this morning. So I was hungry. Kristen and my husband already ate their dinner, and they're at home. And like I said, I thought, I'm hungry. And I knew, not A&W, Dairy Queen had their Alaskan fish sandwich out. And it's just got your basic lettuce, no cheese, and tartar sauce. Now I ordered on the app, and I wish I would have went in to order and asked for extra tartar sauce, because it could use more tartar sauce, in my opinion. You know, I like my sauces. Let's give this a bite. Nice and warm. That is good. Wow, that was really good, guys. I've been craving a fish sandwich. Now, I don't think they have them on the menu all the time. But when Ron and I were first married, we lived in another part of town for about a year, and then we moved in with my parents to save up money to buy our first house. Well, you know, on date night we'd like to get out, and there was a Dairy Queen down the road, and they had the fish sandwich. And that was our to go to. We go down there and get our fish sandwiches and have a little date night. So Dairy Queen, I mean, that's like, oh my gosh, that's like, gosh, I'm 56, so that's been like back in my 20s, like 30 years. I've been, you know, I try to catch them when they're around. And I got the onion rings. I love the onion rings from Dairy Queen. This is a shout out to George from Penny's 2 Cents, because he's an onion ring lover like I am. Let's eat it without. You can't go wrong. Perfect crunch. Nice whole onion. So good. And I also got, now it said it was new, but I thought maybe I had this before. It's the strawberry cheesecake blizzard, and I got the mini. And this was $4.89, guys. Holy cow, wow. And it's really runny. Oh, wow. It's almost like it has chunks of cheesecake in it. Oh, wow. That's delicious. Very good. So the fish, I bumped up to a large drink, and the onion rings, it was like a combo meal. It was $10.89, and then I got the blizzard, so that was like, my total was like 15 something for the meal. Well, let me finish this up, and then we're gonna start a little shopping. Got some things I want to find. I want to find like a throw blanket for my bed, and then I want to get some area rugs. So I'll get back to you. Oh, let me give this a rating on the meal. The blizzard, I'm going to give a 10. It was delicious. The fish sandwich and the onion rings are 10. If you have a Dairy Queen nearby, I would recommend getting out there and trying them. Okay, guys, let's go get that shopping going. Okay, our first spot, we're going to go into Marshall's and look at throw blankets. Oh my gosh, we got to show this to Debbie. She is into mushrooms. Stuff for your lawn. Turtle. Look at that one. It's cute with strawberries. It's $16.99. And I saw this one with the drinks. Isn't that cute? Kind of thick. I want something thinner. And they got Mickey Mouse. Mickey's $34.99. Okay, guys, look what I found. I actually went around another corner and I saw this blanket. It had cats on it. Flowers and butterflies. Isn't that adorable? I got a few dog toys in there to send my grand dogs in Texas. What a different Walmart. I usually go to one closer to my home, a little bit further out, but I'm not really seeing. I got the bigger rugs. I kind of wanted something in a green or burgundy. And this got burgundy and gray, but I don't want to spend $22. These look so thin. And they're pretty colors, but dang. Okay, guys, here's my Walmart haul. Person wanted some popcorn chicken, turkey sausage. We got some regular sausage, barbecue sauce. These pickles are really good, guys. Got some lunch meat, apple juice, some hams, some drinks here, guys. Look out for that. We might be doing a Buzzball review. We got some poppies. Person wants some Fairlife, some wheat bread. Got some more of those cookies. They love those cookies. Remember the review on those? Just at the Walmart and they got their bathing suits out. Okay, guys, this is my Meijer haul. Still finishing my DQ drink. I had to get this for my little grandbaby Josie. Isn't that adorable? Little t-shirt. Got some jelly beans, Sour Patch, hot dog buns, chip review, bagels. We're going to get some red potatoes, bananas. We're going to do pork chops tomorrow, but had to go with steaks and red potatoes. And I got some more of this tea. We did a review on that, the infusion tea, but I found one of the mango ones, so I'm going to try that because I watched Southern Snack Guy and he did a review short on that. Check that out. So he said it was really good. Got some Italian sausage, cat food, and pads. If you know, you know. We got an older dog. If you guys have any collections, my daughter and I, my younger daughter who lives in Texas right now, we do collect willow tree. She sends me some, I send her some. So I'm gonna check these out here at Meijer. Look at the kitty cat one. That's adorable. Oh, yeah, they have them glued down. Okay, guys. Woo! What a day. We went all day long or all night. Of course, I didn't get a late start, so we finished up at Meijer's. We showed you what we got there. We went to Walmart. I was going to go to Aldi's, but I didn't make it there. Went to Dollar Tree. We went to Marshall's. So let's do a little drive home. I'll talk a little bit, and then we'll do some like some nighttime sightseeing. Just kind of listen to the wind, see the lights. Okay, hold on, guys. Okay, here we go. feel like I didn't really get to talk to you much today. Sorry about that. Just kind of running the errands. Should have left sooner today, but I was kind of slowpokey. Kristen and I did some reviews last night when I got home from work, which was Friday, and oh my gosh, Friday was a long day, guys. I started like woke up at 6:20, got ready, took care of all the animals, got myself ready. Went to stores like at 8:30 in the morning. Had to go back home, drop things off, and head to work. And it was just like go, go, go. And then by the time I got off work, I left a little after 5, and then I had to go pick up the pizza. I stopped and got some gas, and some ice, and then I picked up the pizza, and then I picked up the Frosties. And probably by the time I got home, it was probably about 6. And Kristen had everything set up in the barn, so just kind of started going from there. And then we did our reviews. Check that out. We did pizza. We did the Wendy's Frosties. We did some alcohol. And gosh, by the time we got in, I'm stuck at this traffic, guys. By the time we got in, it was probably after 8. And we kind of sat and watched some TV with Ron, my husband. And before you know it, by I think 9 o'clock, I was falling asleep in the chair. And Kristen and Ron were laughing at me. I think I woke myself up going like that at one point. I'm like, oh my God. So I was tired. So I did wake up, and we stayed up a little bit longer, and then I finally went to bed, and then got up about, I don't know, it was about 8 this morning, and started all over again cleaning. I had to do some house cleaning and all that fun stuff. Why do they call it a weekend? Like, you work Monday through Friday, and then it's like your weekend is kind of like nothing but work. Because, running around a day, and, you got to do your errands, you got to do your housework. I used to do my laundry on the weekends, but I stopped doing that, and I started doing my laundry on Monday. I know it makes Monday a long day, but at least I don't have to worry about that on the weekends. Usually you get an arrow here, and I don't know why you're not getting an arrow. We're just going to run these country roads back home. I was really disappointed I didn't find my ribs. Oh, I guess we were just out of luck with the ribs. I say they had them on sale at Meijer's for like $10 a pack, and I should have got there earlier. Oh well, we're gonna have steaks tomorrow, and red potatoes, and I should have picked up some corn, but I forgot. So we'll have steak and red potatoes, and I got green beans at home, so I think that'll be good. Then we can hopefully maybe get the ribs next week, or before the sale goes off. And then I picked up, that's why I went to the store Friday morning, because they had, at my local store, they had pies on sale, Marie Calendar, and we like the coconut, so I got over there and got 2 of those. So we got dessert. What are you guys doing for Easter dinner? What did you guys do for Easter dinner? Because this will probably come out after Easter, but yeah, we were invited to over to the person I take care of. His wife was like, "Come on over, she's gonna have like tons of food, guys. Oh my gosh!" But I would go, but I think I am going to have to relax tomorrow because of running around today. Tomorrow will be a take it easy, chill day. I found some cute things for my little granddaughter Josie. Oh my gosh. I kind of sized up because, I bought her a bunch of 12 months stuff, but then I thought, well, she's probably probably gonna start growing. You know, she's eating better. She just turned 1 in April. Oh my gosh, she is the light of our life, guys. Blessed to have her. Mom and Dad, Jared and Casey, are such great parents. They love that little girl to death. I get to FaceTime. We get to FaceTime with her a lot. And because we're planning a trip to go see her. Can't wait to go see her. Just sent her Easter present out the other day, and her presents, and I sent a little something for her mom and dad. What kind of towns do you guys live in, guys? Do you live in a busy town? Do you live in a kind of a chill town, you know, easy and not a lot of traffic? Because my town's pretty calm. Like, I'll go some places and I go, oh my gosh, this is a lot of traffic, but it's pretty chill around here. Oh, do you hear the night sounds? I wanted to show you these. So where I live, we have like all these tracks. Like, I have tracks on this road. These tracks are really bad, guys. I gotta like really go slow. And then these are the tracks, I think, oh, we didn't go earlier, but these are the tracks. We've been down this road here to the left, and they have tracks on that side. Okay, guys, we made it back to the house. Whew. We started off in the afternoon, and now it's evening. Well, thanks for joining us, guys. Like I said, I turned my camera off because when I'm driving at night, I have a hard time seeing anyway. So I still want to be a little bit more aware of stuff. And sure enough, a big old raccoon ran across the road, and I'm like, oops, slam on the brake just a little bit. But thanks for joining us here. I really appreciate it. Here, joining us, it was just me. I'm so used to having Kristen. And but hey, thanks for joining us. We had a good time. At least I hope you had a good time. We had some good food. We did some good shopping. Yeah. So have a good day. Have a good week. Have a good weekend. Bye, guys.